The lionfish tournament idea came up from the department, the DECR. We looked at the concept from a different angle. Most tournaments in the Turks and Caicos Islands last 1 day, 2 days, and it's geared at fun, a little excitement, a little bit of fun. This tournament is more as looking at ecosystem management. How can we have everyone in the Turks and Caicos Islands involved in this initiative? By having a year-long tournament, the fishermen, any average person that wants to participate can go throw a line and catch a fish. Automatically, by catching it, you become part of the tournament and you're helping save the TCI fishing industry and the marine environment. By going out and eating it, or by going to a restaurant that serves it, makes it even more that even the tourists coming in, just by paying for a platter of fish, they themselves are helping in eradicating the species. So
the DECR has launched a lionfish tournament which will award $3,000 to the first fisherman to record 3,000 lionfish catches. The tournament will run for the next 12 months or until the first fisherman records 3,000 certified catches. Clairvaux says that since going public with the tournament, it has received positive attention.
The persons that are involved or want to go in the tournament, they are eager. Many fishermen have told me, let's get this thing going, because they already start killing fish. A lot of fishermen, they kill them just because they see them and they're concerned about the impacts it's having to the fishing industry.
Restaurants can benefit from the hunt for the lionfish through a promotional program the DECR is sponsoring to encourage them to add lionfish to their menus. Without a solution to the problem, Clairvaux states that eating the fish is the best way to control their population and even benefit and make a profit off the fish.
The food is very good. The fish is very good. And the fears of poison, we will allay all of that with much promotion and showing people that the fish is not poisonous. Poisonous is if you eat it, you'll get sick, you'll die. Venomous is that you probably, if you get stung by the spines, you might get some swelling. But other than that, it is more safe than barracuda. And many people throughout the Turks and Caicos Islands eat barracuda. Barracuda is poisonous. It can kill you. This fish cannot kill you. It just will give you some swellings if you get stung with the spines.
This invasive species is a major environmental threat that may become an even bigger threat that could affect the entire Turks and Caicos if they are not controlled. Originally from the South Pacific, here in Caribbean waters, there are no known predators, leaving them to populate at an alarming rate.
The threat to the Turks and Caicos Islands is that the lionfish eat everything in its path. It eats 24 hours a day, nighttime, daytime, as long as there's food around, it eats. And if it's eating all our juveniles around the mangroves, around the reef, all the juvenile fish, eventually it will eat every fish in these waters out of existence. And if there's no fish, for example, parrotfish that normally takes all the algae off the reef would be overrun by algae. Our tourists that normally come here, I think Turks and Caicos is in the top 5 as the best diving destination. We will slowly and eventually become a destination that no one wants to come and dive. Our reef will die. We'll have no fishery. And eventually it will affect our tourism industry because no tourist wants to go see our dead reef. And no tourists, no economy. No economy means bad for the TCI.
For more information regarding the tournament or regarding lionfish, contact the DECR at 941-5122. For WIV4 News, I'm Alice.